What is a fault divorce in Massachusetts? A fault divorce is where one party claims against the other that they have done some things that they are at fault and has affected the marriage and therefore the dissolution of the marital assets. An example of this would be where one spouse has an affair and was cheating during the marriage. Another example of this would be where one party's been abused or has been violated in some way with sex or drugs or alcohol, or one party happens to be in jail for a significant period of time, like 5 years or more. But the problem with a fault is you better be ready to litigate, which is going to be costly, which will cost you money because you're going to have to pay lawyers. It's also going to take a longer period of time to resolve the marriage. Not highly recommended. Why? Litigation and trial and getting on the witness stand is very difficult. Anyone who tells you differently is just not being honest with you. And that can lead to some very sleepless and anxious moments. And that can affect your children too. And they're your most important asset, so I'm told by most parents. But yet sometimes I wonder when they use the children as pawns in their divorce. They weaponize the children against each other. And it gets real ugly, especially when you put all types of money and marital assets on the table. Comes to money, people get funny. So think long and hard about doing a fault divorce. I don't recommend it. Sometimes it's necessary, but I don't recommend it because it's so hard on the litigants. And it's not much easier on the lawyers either. And be ready for a scorch and burn approach by the lawyers, where they leave no stone unturned and they really go after the litigants. And that's no fun either.